Anne, there's a ghost sitting by the fire, and I think it's Owain Glyndŵr.
Don't be so silly. I shall along. Caroline.
Dad, there's a ghost sitting by the fire.
Ah, well, I'm too busy for your nonsense. Gather on it.
Nine, there's a ghost sitting at our fire.
Oh, that's nice, dear. Good weather for it.
No, Nine, you don't understand. A real-life ghost. A political yarn.
I'll go and tell the penguins, dear. Me the fine new happiest yarn.
Great, Nine. Tide, I know you'll believe me. There's a ghost by the fire.
Oi, swear, is there now, Bach?
Yeah, and I think it's Owain Glyndŵr.
Do you now? Oid and siarad.
Nagoedd, but he looked at me.
Ah, well, try talking Gymraeg, Bach.
And Cymraeg?
Very passionate about the old Welsh language he was. Brwyd iawn dros ein Gymraeg.
Yn wir? OK, dwi'n ymdrio.
Dwi'n siŵr. Hwyl fawr.
Hello. Who is it?
Me? Owain Glyndŵr.
I knew it. Sut wyt ti?
Wedi blino, Bach. Pwy wyt ti?
O, beth am Fefan ydw i? Beth ydy dy hoff lliw?
Coch bob troi coch.
Hwyl fawr Owain Glyndŵr.
Hwyl fawr, Bach.
Mrs Jones?
Ja, beth am Bach?
Beth ydy can I have a go in your sword yn Cymraeg?
Beth? Gael I go at y gwledydd.
Diolch Mrs Jones, hwyl fawr.
Da, Bethan.
Bore da Diolch am gwylio.
Thank you for watching.